Let's move on. So I'm using an hand and then I'm drawing and nose. By the time seeing the nose, you will find out it's a pig. So here we are drawing a pig. So let's draw some eyes, nose and the two dots of noses and then a body and the shoes and the leg and an hand. So here is a cute pig. Let's put some shade to the face. Pig will be in a pink color and with a white and holding an ice cream. So let's move on. Use one finger and the other finger join together, draw and cartoon and draw a body. Then put some different shapes inside a body and then let's draw some hands and the legs and draw eyebrows and the eyes. So let's put some shades of body color with the face color to the body and with the pant with the green and purple color. So here's a cute cartoon. Again we are using an hand and then we are drawing a face. So here we are drawing a bow and an eyes. Then we are drawing a nose and the mustache. So here we are drawing a neck and then we are drawing the body and the frog. We are drawing the frog and then hand. So let's draw a leg. Here's a girl dancing. So pussycat, girl dancing.